Claude Code has hidden features that most developers have no idea about. I'm talking about teleporting sessions between devices, running Claude on autopilot with cron jobs, launching parallel agents in separate worktrees, and voice coding without touching your keyboard. These aren't experimental, they're shipping right now. Here are 15 hidden features that will completely change how you use Claude Code. Number 1, teleport. Type/teleport, and your entire session, conversation history, context, branch state, transfers instantly to another device. Start debugging on your desktop. Teleport to your phone on the commute, then teleport back to your workstation. Zero context lost. Claude even verifies the repo state and switches branches automatically. Boris Cherny, the creator of Claude Code, says this is one of the features he uses most. Number 2 and 3, loop and schedule. Slash. Loop turns Claude into a local cron job. Run/loop, 5 minutes /babysit, and Claude checks your open PRs every 5 minutes, addresses review comments, rebases branches, and posts updates. /schedule goes even further. It registers persistent cloud tasks that run even when your laptop is closed. Boris himself runs /loop 30 minutes /Slack feedback to automatically create PRs from Slack messages. Number 4, Git Worktrees. Run Claude-W feature payments and Claude creates an isolated Git worktree. Its own physical directory with separate files but shared Git history. Now launch 3 more. Claude-do fixauth, Claude-w write tests. Each agent works independently. Zero merge conflicts, zero interference. Combined with --tmux, it even creates terminal panes automatically. This is how power users run dozens of agents simultaneously. Number 5, the hooks system. Hooks are programmable triggers that fire at 21 different lifecycle events. Post tool use. Auto format every file after Claude edits it. Pre-tool use. Scan for dangerous commands before execution. Session start. Load custom context. Stop. Run tests when Claude finishes. You can run shell commands, LLM prompts, or even sub-agents as handlers. Think of hooks as middleware for your AI coding assistant. Number 6, voice coding. Type/voice and hold space to talk. Say, refactor the authentication middleware to use JWT tokens and add rate limiting. Claude transcribes it perfectly. It's tuned for coding vocabulary. It recognizes regex, OAuth, JSON, localhost, and your project-specific terms. Boris Cherny does most of his coding by speaking, not typing. Number 7, permission mode cycling. Press Shift+Tab to cycle through 4 modes. Default asks permission for everything. Accept edits. Auto approves file changes. Perfect for prototyping. Plan mode is RAID only. Claude analyzes but can't change anything. And auto mode uses an AI classifier to approve safe actions and block risky ones. Most developers are stuck in default mode, getting interrupted constantly. Shift+Tab is the fix. Number 8, Chrome integration. Run Claude-Chrome and Claude connects to your browser. It can test web apps, read console errors, inspect elements, monitor network traffic, and automate form filling, all from the terminal. Write code, Claude tests it in Chrome, reads the error, traces it to the source, and fixes it. One command turns your terminal into a full-stack debugging environment. Number 9 and 10. Effort control and bear mode. The dash dash effort flag lets you set low, medium, high, or max per task. Use low for formatting, medium for standard changes, high for complex debugging, max for architecture. This alone cuts token costs by 60% on routine tasks. Bare mode, dash dash bare, strips everything. No hooks, no LSP, no plugins, no Claude.md. Pure deterministic execution, essential for CI pipelines. Number 11 and 12. Custom agents and agent teams. Create specialized agents with their own system prompts and tool access. A security auditor that only reads code, a doc writer that generates documentation, a database expert for SQL optimization. Agent teams takes this further. 2 to 16 Claude sessions working as peers with a shared task list, dependency tracking, and direct messaging. The team lead orchestrates, teammates execute in parallel. Numbers 13 through 15. Power user tricks. Ctrl+G opens your prompt in your full editor, Vim, VS Code, whatever. Write 50-line instructions with syntax highlighting. Dash dash from PR to FA7 resumes the exact session that created a pull request. Full history intact for addressing review feedback. And slash compact with a focus topic, like slash compact focus on authentication. Compresses your context while keeping the important stuff. These three tricks separate beginners from power users. That's 15 hidden features most developers will never find on their own. Subscribe for more Claude Code deep dives. Drop a comment with your favorite feature. And share this with a developer who needs to see it.